have a question. Mumbai is also known as Bombay, right? Is it?
Bombay.
Dito nang galing lahat ng Bombay sa Pilipinas. Sinabihan siya ng pinsan ni Sumit kanina. Tumawag si Sumit sa pinsan niya kanina. Tapos sabi sa kanya, wag daw sila munang i-video. Yan yung problema sa kanila. Dati nung kakarating namin dito sa India, ang dami nagsasabi mukha daw akong katulong. Hey guys! Good morning and welcome back to another vlog!
Hello guys!
It is now 10:26 a.m. and nakaready na kami because we are leaving this beautiful
We
place.
enjoyed a lot guys.
Yeah, yesterday
And
night.
I hope you guys enjoyed a lot also.
Yeah.
Watching us enjoying.
Sobrang itim na namin. You know, really like reddish. I don't know.
Because of the sun.
The sun, oo. Ang bilis niyang mangitim. Times 2 yung itim niya sa akin. Really like quick.
Very fast.
Very fast. Times 2 siya. Yung batok ko guys, sobrang itim na din siya. So good luck sa amin. Kapag nakita ako ng mga kamag-anak ni Sumit. So, ang next stop namin is gonna be what?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, the Bollywood. Is it?
Bollywood. City of Bollywood.
City of Bollywood! Ayan! Doon yung aming next stop. It's going to be like an hour flight.
Flight.
Yeah, magpe-plane kami this time. So, binigyan ako ni Sumit ng option, either sleeper bus, train, or plane. Kaso nga lang kasi medyo napagod kami sa aming gala-gala dito, sabi ko, mag-plane na lang tayo. So, plane tayo this time. 1 hour lang siya. If we take bus, how long is it gonna take?
Around 10 hours.
Around 10 hours. So, we started our journey in Bangalore. Ano siya, hindi siya yung south ng India, pero sa south siya. Ewan ko guys, lagay ko na lang siguro yung mapa dito. So, tapos ngayon nasa Goa tayo. Tapos pupunta kaming Mumbai. Yung Mumbai parang nasa gitna na siya. It's somewhere like in the middle of India, right? Mumbai? Or not really? Still like south? In the south?
I'm not sure about that, but I think it's not south. No.
Like in the middle?
Yeah, something like that.
Oo, basta nasa gitna na siya ng India. Papaangat na tayo ng papaangat guys. Papunta na tayo sa north ulit. So, ayun yung aming next stop guys. Mag-check out kami in 22 minutes.
Yeah.
Ito yung huling pasilip sa aming kwarto. And regalo namin, pasalubong.
Absolutely.
Yeah, pasalubong. Kasi doon kami mag-i-stay sa bahay ng kanyang pinsan. For how many days are we going to stay with them?
Maybe 4 or 5.
4 or 5 days, guys.
Because Mumbai is very big. And
Yeah.
we need time to go around.
I wanna meet Shah Rukh Khan. Char.
There is nice beach there.
Ah, coastal area pa
Very
rin.
big malls.
Ah.
And of course the Bollywood stars are there.
Is there any chance that I will meet Shah Rukh Khan?
It depends on your luck. Because she was saying that sometimes it doesn't work.
Yeah, you have to put more. Where is it? You threw already?
Yeah, I have, but it's not working now. I go ask them.
For scotch tape?
Yep.
Oo, kasi anong ginamit namin eh, yung parang mighty band. Wala kami scotch tape, di namin alam kung nasan yung scotch tape. Pero gumana siya dito kasi marami akong nilagay. Yung sa gilid-gilid, konti lang nilagay ko, bumubuka siya. So yan guys. Excited na ba kayong makakita ng artista kung magkakaroon tayo ng chance? Sana makakita tayo, hopefully. Ito na pala yung update sa aking kagat ng aso. Ayan, nilagyan po ni Sumit ng cream. Ayan, ang itim-itim na po ng aking paa. Parang nakadiri na siya tignan. Yes, ayan, dry na siya guys. Dry na rin yung aking skin. Kahapon, nagpunta kami sa may beach area mga 3:30 yata or 4 p.m. mga ganyan. Tapos nagstay kami hanggang 6:30. So, mga 2 oras tayong nasa ilalim ng araw. Kaya tusta na po kami. Ang itim talaga ng batok ko. Meron yung ibang areas na maputi kasi nagbabalat siya. Nag-allergy kasi ako nung nandun kami sa Bangalore. So, yung ibang area nagbalat. Yung mas spot-spot tayo. Okay guys, huling pasilip sa aming hotel na mamimiss ko. Sabi ni Sumit parang feel niya daw na magstay na dito forever.
Yeah. Best place for me.
Yeah.
Really enjoy.
This is where we cook the shrimp, the crab, and the fish. Oh, sabi niya parang
The
Philippines daw.
mini Philippines.
Ayan, yung aming kapitbahay. Para ka daw nasa Pinas, sabi ni Sumit.
Mini Philippines.
Yeah, kasi yung mga...
It's like,
Yung bahay nila dito, meron talaga siyang pa-triangle, yung bubong. Doon sa North India, puro flat yung bahay. Ayan, yung view namin dito. Tapos ito. Yeah, very nice. The best accommodation. Yeah. Double check lang kami guys. Tapos ready na kaming bumiyahe ulit. Ay, di ba nung nag-dive kami sa tubig, gamit ni Sumit yung kanyang cellphone, okay pa rin, ay, this is my phone, where's your phone? Okay pa rin yung kanyang phone, ayan. It's waterproof, right?
both.
O yan, waterproof.
Fully waterproof.
Oo, so okay,
100%
okay lang siya. Binabad niyo
And
to sa
dustproof.
dustproof pa.
And water.
Oo, binabad niyo to sa tubig, as in lumubog siya sa tubig nung ginamit niya to. Okay pa siya. Okay guys?
But the one you are holding right now,
Yeah.
no,
It's
not
not
even
one.
splash. No.
Ah.
Splash of water will kill it.
Itong aking camera, DJI Osmo. So many people are asking me what kind of camera I'm using. They're amazed.
Really?
Yeah, ito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Wait.
Ito yung aking camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Ayan siya. Very, very small lang siya. So kapag tinanggal ko pa tong tripod, kasi may tripod siya eh. Oh, ang liit na niya. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang daming, every time I go out with my camera, everybody keeps staring. Sometimes they think that it's a scanner for barcode.
This one? Oh yeah.
Whenever I go to the supermarket, like,
Yeah.
right? And then I go like show the product that I'm holding.
Yeah.
People are asking, are you checking if it's like a real item or if it's fake? Like the authenticity of the
Like,
product.
people start saying that are you scanning the product?
Pang scan.
If it's legit or not? Is it a scanner or something?
Yeah.
Start
Oo.
saying that.
Ayan siya, guys. And pati si Jayan din, gusto niya na rin yung camera ko. And the good thing about this, it is wide angle. Tapos
Yeah.
kahit na gumalaw ka ng gumalaw, very smooth yung kanyang. Ayan, very smooth siya. Hindi siya shaky.
Very nice.
Ayan. Sobrang ganda talaga. The best camera kasi kapag nagva-vlog ako sa public, hindi na ako masyadong parang pinagtitinginan. Kasi kapag nagva-vlog ka sa labas tapos malaking camera yung hawak mo, pag titinginan ka ng mga tao, tapos medyo naiilang na sila, yung iba parang humihindi na wag kang mag-vlog, ganyan. Pero kapag ganito yung camera mo, okay na okay. Tinitingnan lang nila ako kapag pag iniisip nila kung anong device tong hawak ko. Tapos kapag in-extend ko pa yung aking tripod, ayan, mukha talaga siyang stick, parang panghampas. Ayan. So, DJI Osmo Pocket 2 siya. Meron na siyang mga attachment. Ito, parang joystick. Actually, 4 at 4 na attachment yata yung kasama nito. Itong nilagay ko ngayon dito, pang-control siya ng camera, ng ganyan, up and down. Ayan, so maganda. Ang haba na ng vlog. Dito na kami sa kanilang international airport. Ayan.
International airport. Wow.
It's quite big, right?
Same like Amritsar.
Yeah. Ayan.
अमृतसर का भी इतना सही हमारे पास में।
Go take trolley. Yan, gawa tayong trolley. You can put the blue one on top. It doesn't really roll na. Sira na yung it doesn't really roll properly because of this sira na yung gulong. Dinala kasi namin siya dun sa okay. Wala pala akong tutulak. Dinala kasi namin siya sa Botanical Garden ng Bangalore. Nasira kasi sa loob ng Botanical Garden mayroong part na lupa-lupa. So, domestic flight lang kami, hindi international. In my dreams, international soon. What's that? Train?
Oh yeah. How come?
So where should we enter?
This one.
Okay. Any? Dito tayo guys, maya na lang ulit. Nakatingin sila kuya sa akin eh. Ito yung kanilang airport sa loob. Sobrang ganda nito oh. Wow. Tapos na kami mag-check-in guys. Punta na kami sa may security. Dito na kami sa aming gate guys. It is now 11:49. Our flight is at 1:15.
110.
1:10. So we have like 1 hour plus pa. I like their airport here so neat.
Yeah, it's much better.
Sobrang ganda.
Look at the fan.
Oh my god, ang laki ng kanilang fan. Parang LEC ng airplane. LEC.
You can put something like this.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng airport as in. Ayan. Tapos meron silang mga food court dyan.
This one is much better. Bayou one is awesome.
Awesome, really? It's gonna be big?
Big and nice.
Bangalore airport is also big. But we didn't really go much, right? Around there. So, ayan, meron silang KFC doon. Tina-target ko siya, guys. Medyo gutom ako. Boarding na kami, guys. Ito na kami sa aming seat. 30B. What did you say just now?
Huh?
What did you say just now?
About?
When we were taking...
I said I will miss this place
Yeah, me too.
a lot.
Say your final goodbye.
Bye-bye, Goa.
See you again
See you
next.
soon, hopefully.
Yeah. of Bollywood.
Rich people.
Dito na kami sa Mumbai Airport, guys. Sobrang ganda. Which belt?
I think one.
Ah. Submit our luggage. It's getting down.
It feels very light,
Lighter now?
but it's
Heavy. Yeah, I know, right? I see it. That's ours? Oh, yeah, that's ours.
better. It's gone. Yeah, little stricter than other cities, right?
Yes. So guys, nung paglabas namin, chinek nila yung aming final vaccination certificate. Ayan. So nakalabas na kami. And ito pong aming view rito. Magbubook lang si Sumit ng taxi. So from here, it's gonna take like 1 hour to reach your sister's house, right?
Very far.
Doon kami mag-iis.
Mumbai is very
Yeah. Doon kami mag-i-stay, makikitulog kami sa bahay ng pinsan niya for, ay, hindi ko alam, mga 4 na araw siguro. Ay, ang ganda ng kanilang airport. And ano, sobrang bilis lang ng biyahe namin. Like, I felt like I just sat down for 15 minutes. I lay down for like 15 minutes.
And then we reach
And then we reach. Ang bilis.
very fast.
Yeah. So, dire-diretso tayo dyan sa exit C. Are you excited to see your sister?
Yeah.
This is going to be my first time meeting your sister, cousin. Right?
Yep.
The last time he saw them, mga 6 years ago, nung kasal daw ni Nandi. So, hindi sila naka-attend ng kasal namin. Kumain lang kami saglit dito sa may harap ng airport, guys, kasi hindi na kaya ng aking tiyan. Gutom na ako. So, ayan, punta na kami sa may taxi. Excited ako kasi sabi ni Sumit dito daw sa Mumbai, siya, tawag dito? Mixture siya ng city plus coastal area. So, parang siya, pinaghalong Bangalore. Is it like something similar to like a mixture of Bangalore plus Goa?
Yes.
Something like that.
Yes.
Nandito na kami sa loob ng taxi. And tingnan niyo naman kung ano ang sitwasyon ko dito sa likod. Wala na akong spasyo. Pero ayan, 1 oras ang biyahe natin. Sumit, Mumbai is...
It scared me. I thought something happened. What?
No, I have a question. Mumbai is also known as Bombay, right? Is it?
Bombay.
Bombay.
Last time Bombay था ना इसका नाम. Now
Yeah?
it's Mumbai. Yes.
Ah.
Used to be Bombay.
So, dito nanggaling lahat ng Bombay sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, Bombay.
I think they all originated here. Those, we call like
I know.
Indians, I don't know, Pakistani Bombay, something like that.
Bombay.
Yeah. Oh, dito sila nag-originate, guys. Char. Hindi ko alam kung totoo yun.
And the local language here is Marathi, right? Marathi बोलते हैं ना इधर local language. Yes.
So sa Bangalore, ang kanilang local language ay Kannada.
Kannada.
In Goa,
In Goa, yeah, they have their own language.
ay, hindi namin natanong.
I forgot, but they have their own language.
Kasi ginawa namin sa Goa, nag-relax lang kami. And here, what was the local language again? I forgot.
Marathi.
Marathi. Ayan, Marathi daw sabi ni Sumit. Yung airport nila malapit sa coastal area. Nandito pa rin kami sa taxi. It is now 5:21 and ibang levels po ang kanilang traffic dito. What can you say about the traffic, Samid?
Specialty of Mumbai.
Specialty ng Mumbai daw, traffic. What time we took this taxi? At around 3 or 3:30? Somewhere there, right? Is it?
Maybe around 4.
4? Oo, dapat yung aming biyahe isang oras lang pero
Falling asleep.
oo, antok na siya. Wala na rin akong energy eh. Pero yung klima nila dito, mas malamig siya compared sa Bangalore and sa Goa. Malamig siya dito. Hindi siya ganun kalamig, hindi rin siya ganun kainit. So ayan, kapag nakarating na kami doon, hindi na ako mag-vlog kasi sinabihan siya nung pinsan ni Sumit kanina. Tumawag si Sumit sa pinsan niya kanina. Tapos sabi sa kanya, wag daw sila munang i-video dahil kagigising lang daw nila. I said I won't be able to vlog anymore later.
Yeah, because
Maybe at night or in the morning.
yeah, they said they just woke up.
Oo.
So for now, no.
Oo. Bukas nyo na lang sila mamimit.
Once they get ready and all, then maybe.
Oo. Yan yung problema sa kanila. Kaya kung madalas sa video ko, napapansin nyo ng tsaka-tsaka ko, di ba madalas, tapos yung mga kasama ko sa bahay nakaayos. Kasi sa akin, okay lang na wala akong ayos. Dati di ba yung mga unang mga vlog ko dati, nung kakarating namin dito sa India, ang dami nagsasabi mukha daw akong katulong. But hindi ako nag-aayos. Yun yung problema, kasi nagbablog ako kahit wala akong ayos. Sila yung sa bahay namin, yung kasama namin. Nag-aayos muna sila bago ko sila pwedeng ipakita. Pag walang ayos, walang video. Ay, yun yung sabi sa kanya, bilin sa kanya, wag daw silang ipapakita. Kapag naka-base na lang daw. So, baka bukas na lang or mamaya ko kayo ma-update. Dito na kami, guys.
Lagi siya uधर लेके जाना बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
Ang ganda dito. Tingnan niyo meron silang security. Actually, nakapasok na kami. Ha? You'll ask her to come?
Yeah, maybe.
Ayan, tawagan niya daw yung pinsan niya.
दीदी मैं नीचे हाँ जी अच्छा ये सिक्योरिटी वाले को कुछ बोलना तो नहीं है नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला वैसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ अभी ओके 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 दीदी ओके ठीक 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 ओके
Dito na kami sa may lift. Their place is actually nice. Okay, you explain.
Okay, explain.
No, thank you.
Come on, explain.
What
What do we have
पूरन पोली
here?
and all पर
What do we
फेस
have?
नहीं आएगा.
Come here. Just tell us.
This is पूरन पोली.
Which one is the
इसके
camera?
अंदर चना दाल and गुड़.
Ah,
This is पूरन पोली.
So is it
This is one
something
of the
sweet?
most
Something sweet.
in any
This is
traditional day, in any good day,
Yeah.
the Maharashtra people eat पूरन पोली.
so it's like a chapati.
It's a chapati filled with chana dal and gur, and it's
Ah,
very
good
tasty.
jaggery.
I had taken it to Jamshedpur also for Lily and
Bran flour plus jaggery.
I think we have something like this, but we call it hopia. I mean,
Hopia?
Hopia. It looks the
And
same.
this is vada pav. You have it with this
Potatoes,
bun.
bun.
Pav.
And with this mirchi. And that is samosa.
Yeah,
Samosa.
this one is,
Samosa we know.
I know this.
Chalo.
There is jalebi also in case.
Oh my
I'm
god,
not familiar with
that's too much.
Ito daw, tinapay,
Yeah.
papalamanan niya nito.
After
Ayan,
we-
gawa siya sa potato and, what's that again? Gram flour.
Yes.
Tapos lalagyan niyo siya ng
Paste.
sauce.
And then you deep fry it.
Ah,
So I'm
okay.
going to make for myself.
पहले वो तो लगा चटनी लगा.
Okay.
हाँ, पहले चटनी लगा.
I,
One में.
I forgot.
Wrong.
This one?
Completely.
Any of the two. whichever the
That's
you like.
sweet, that's
ये sweet
spicy.
है ये salty.
Ah,
हाँ
like
sorry spicy बोला.
Salty.
Spicy sorry.
Spicy.
Oh, yeah, it's
So
sweet.
I use the
That
big
is
spoon.
हाँ हाँ. घर की
Too
बात.
spicy, right?
No,
हल्का
it's
सा
okay.
मतलब तेल.
Are you sure?
Yeah. According
उसको spicy लगे तुझे क्या
He likes spicy
लगा?
food, so it's okay for
He's
him.
eating spicy
I
food.
don't like spicy food. Okay.
So this would be spicy, huh?
Yeah,
This
okay,
one.
you try.
This would be spicy, try.
Only you. How, Sumit? Look here.
Yeah, like burger.
Like burger. It's like aloo tikki
But
or...
the flavor is different.
ये भी
Ah.
you have to take a bite of this also. With
Okay.
it.
Don't.
With
Take a
chili.
bite of this.
Hmm.
No, it's fine.
It's fine for you? Ayan, mahihilig
No, no,
sila
it's
sa
not
mga
spicy.
anghang.
This is good.
Yeah?
Yeah, this
Nice.
is good.
Like it?
Very
Rate it
nice.
out of 10.
Oh, rate it.
8?
8.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Maybe when you. Oh my god, it's burning now.
What do you know that?
Hello!
Ah, wow! Naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa residential area nila. Sobrang ganda ng mga bahay-bahay dito. Ayan, yung kanilang building. Ang ganda. Ayan, may doggy.
Brujo!
Call it up, Sumit. Up, up.
Oh, he was.
Cute, cute. Up.
ये जब ऐसा
He's
करता है
very
तो
tall.
शेरपुर का तो यही है.
Very big.
Okay.
Brujo.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. That's cute. Nandito na kami sa flea market. Hindi ko sila mapakita sa inyo. Pero meron daw silang supermarket dito. And madalas yung mga foreigners, mga NRI, dito daw namamalengke. Yung mga product daw dito is parang imported. Mga usually hindi namin nakikita sa regular na Indian supermarket. Tapos, ayan, flea market dyan sa may harapan. Ayun sila, nakatalikod. Ayan. Sabi ng pinsan ni Sumit, ito daw yung pinaka na-enjoy niyang pasyalan kasama yung mga bata. Kapag namamasyal sila or namamalengke dito sa flea market. Ayan, meron silang mga libro dito. Merong mga scarf. Parang kakonti lang siya. Ayan. Marami pang iba, may mga halaman at mga traditional clothes. Ayan, dinala nila kami sa playground area kung saan nila usually dinadala yung mga anak nila para maglaro. And tingnan nyo yung place. Oh. May playground ka sa under ng block. Yan yung mga block nila, oh. Ang ganda pala dito sa Mumbai. And yung weather perfect. Hindi siya mainit and hindi rin malamig. Mahangin siya, as in.